In JavaScript, classes are like blueprints to create objects with. A class is a type of function, but instead of using the function keyword to initiate it, we use the class keyword. Then the properties are assigned inside a constructor method. The constructor method is required and must have the exact name constructor. This method is called automatically when the class is initiated. So here we have a class named person. Then in our constructor, we are passing the property first name. Then we assign this.firstName to be equal to first name. So the person now has a first name. To initiate it, we declare a variable equal to new person and pass in our argument, John. Now we can log person1.firstName and we get our name. We can pass multiple arguments to the class by setting multiple properties in our constructor. Now within the class, we can define other methods. Here we have the getFullName method that returns the first and last names concatenated. So we pass in our first and last names to initiate it, then we can log the first name like we did before, and we can log the full name by using the getFullName method. Notice here, to get a property, we do not use parentheses, but when calling a method, we do. We can also pass arguments into our other class methods. Here we have another method called greeting, and this accepts an argument. To call this, we simply use person1.greeting and pass in the argument. It then has access to the argument and all other properties of the class. The idea behind this is to be able to create multiple instances of a predefined object. So we can create another person, and now this instance contains all of this new person's information. This has been a 90-second JavaScript January.